Now let us come to second question. He was a thoughtful son. Underline the predicate. Again, it is similar question. Again, we have to do the same process of finding out, of looking at the sentence carefully and identifying the verb. So and the answer is was a thoughtful son. He is the subject and was a thoughtful son is the predicate, and that means the most important word in this is was. He was a thoughtful son, right? So explanation. The answer is very easy because there is only one finite verb, definitely, right? So was is the finite verb, and was plus rest of the sentence gives us the predicate. So we come to the third one, question 3. This made Taro sadder than ever. Underline the finite verb. The answer is made. It is not this one, right? Some of you have made this mistake or might make this mistake. Explanation. Made is the past form of make, right? So we can ask what, who and whom again, right? And we get answers on both the sides. So basically what we are doing, first we are identifying in a sentence when you are asked to tell which is the subject and which is the predicate, then this is the regular process of attempting the question. First look for a verb, then once you have identified the verb, that means you have identified subject and predicate. Before the verb everything is subject, and after the verb plus rest of the sentence itself, the verb and the rest of the sentence makes the predicate, right? So we get answers on both sides. What made Taro sadder than ever? Answer. This made. This made Taro sadder than ever. What made? This made. What made? This made. That means this made in this. So what made Taro sadder than ever? This, right? So this thing made him sorrow, or that thing made him sorrow. So pronoun is there in place of the subject. Okay. What did this make? Answer. Taro sadder than ever. What did this make? What did the thing do? And what it did? It made Taro sadder. So we are getting answers on both sides of made. Before made is this, and this refers to the subject which has been described earlier. That means it is taken from a continuous piece of narration. And then what did this make? So Taro sadder. So these questions are very important. What, who and whom, and we have to ask this to the finite verb, right? Okay. So now error correction. Some of the students confuse between verb and adjective. Sadder is an adjective. How do we know that sadder is an adjective? Because of its form itself. Er ending is there, this er ending. So because an adjective has 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So like good, better, best, strong, stronger, strongest, beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful, right? So it has got 3 degrees. The comparative degree often takes er ending. This you have to remember. The comparative degree often takes er ending. It takes something else also. A verb normally does not take er ending, right? right? So just by looking at a word, we can almost predict no, or tell that this belongs to which part of speech, whether it is a verb or whether it is an adjective. So adjective, and this has got three degrees: sad, sadder, saddest. And then another point to remember is comparative degree is almost always followed by THAN. Remember, very important. So just by careful reading, we can say that sadder is not a verb, it is an adjective, it is comparative degree of adjective. So sadder than, I am better than I was yesterday. Right? So always the comparative degree uses than. Comparative degree is always followed by THAN. Okay. So let us now attempt the